Hi, Ted Brooks with Alfra Maglogics again, here to talk to you a little bit more about the TML family of lifting magnets from Alfra Maglogics. 12 north and south poles, the bottom of our big ones give them incredible holding force, but sometimes you just don't need that kind of holding force. Sometimes a smaller magnet will do just fine. So we'll turn these off and we'll put them aside. All we need for this job is our little TML100. This is about a 4-pound lifting magnet. It breaks weight about 660 pounds or better. We rate it for 100 kilograms or 220 pounds. There are people out there, you notice we use a 3-to-1 safety factor. There are companies out there who use a 2-to-1 safety factor. If that's a safety factor you're comfortable with, that's fine. You can go ahead and relocate this and relabel it as a 330-pound magnet. For our purposes, it's a 3-to-1 safety factor, just like ASME recommends, and it's a 100 kilogram or 220 pound lifter. We'll bring it over here. The advantage of having a lifting magnet like this at about 4 pounds is that you can take it off the hook and use it for all kinds of fabrication needs. Anywhere you need this kind of holding force to simply put in place, turn on, and hold something still, that's the advantage of a 4-pound lifting magnet. It has a lot of purposes. We'll put it on our hook in our gantry crane. Locate roughly the center of our piece of steel that we're going to lift up. This is about an 8-footer. So we'll put our magnet in place. Simply turn it on. Bring it up just a couple of inches for a test lift. That's not going anywhere. Don't forget, all these magnets are below the hook lifting. They're not above the head lifting. So we're going to keep this as low as possible, as low as and as high as needed to get the job done. This is about 160-pound square tube stock. Frankly, I'm not supposed to lift it, you're not supposed to lift it, and we don't enjoy lifting them. We'll go ahead and bring this up, keeping our body out from underneath it, and only to the height necessary. Bring this over onto our fabrication table, and put it right in place. With a magnet this powerful, this small and compact, this lightweight, it's unbelievable how many things I can do in the shop by myself. They used to take 2 or 3 people. That's the advantage of the TML lifting series of magnets from Alfra Maglogics.